for mechanics.
Last night my check engine light came on and my battery light.
Uh-huh.
I took it to AutoZone. They said it could be the alternator.
Yes.
I did my research, and it said that it could be a eroded battery or the belt on the alternator or the battery sensor, service charge sensor. I'm having my brother, when he gets to the house, to check and see if my battery is eroded. Do you do, well, I saw that you do alternators. How much do you charge for that? Do I need to get the part? 2019 GMC Acadia?
I can look up the quote for the alternator. You have to know the engine size, engine size, or just give them the tag number to make sure that they give you the right the right alternator. But
is that 3.6D something?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. That's my work truck. I'm in my car. I'm like, I don't know if this is going to work, but I'm going to go to work in it and see.
What, in your work car? Regular car?
Uh-huh. And I know it's cold. We can wait till it warm up, like this weekend. I mean, if the quote and everything is good, and it's cold.
Yes, ma'am. I would probably do it today.
Oh, John.
Yeah.
I done left the keys too. Okay.
Hold on. I'm sorry. I'm looking something up on my tablet. It runs slower than my phone.
Okay. No worries.
That's kind of expensive, man.
What's that?
The repair. And I probably would wait until this, because of how long it's going to take to do it. Yeah, I probably
how much
wait until.
When did you say you can come out and do it this weekend?
The first one. As soon as possible. Hold on.
Okay, so
probably tomorrow.
Okay. But I'm trying to figure out, because I need to go ahead and purchase that alternator. But first I got to see if it's the alternator. It could just be the sensor, battery sensor. No. Okay.
Look, the chances of the battery. It could be a battery corrosion issue, which isn't really going to set off the battery. The battery light. The only thing that really sends. The battery light. The battery light won't even turn the battery on. The battery won't even turn the battery on. Battery light on for real.
Right. Okay.
If you have a bad battery, bad battery, the battery light isn't really going to turn check engine light. The alternator light on.
Oh, so it's a light for the alternator too. Oh, okay.
Oh, that's what it is. Look, you can have a bad battery in your car won't start, but your alternator, your battery light not gonna come on with your battery. The only time your battery light really comes on is when your alternator isn't charging the battery when the car is on, when it's reading low voltage. Because the only thing that a battery does is starts the car. As soon as the car starts, the alternator kicks in and is like a generator, and it charges the battery and the car and keeps the car maintaining. So if your battery light goes up, the battery is not necessarily going to turn the battery light on. It's the charging that's going to do it.
Okay. So can the alternator be good and just be something wrong with the belt?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm gonna have my brother check that too, the belt. He doesn't work on cars. He kind of have sense to know, you know, what's wrong and stuff. So I'm gonna have him check the belt, and I need to go ahead and order that part. So that's the next question. Should I do it from a GM factory or AutoZone, or where you think I should get the
Advance or O'Reilly?
Advance or O'Reilly? Okay.
Yes.
So another question: how long does it take for you to do it? Will it take for you to do it?
A couple of hours.
I thought so. Okay. All right. Well, everything is good on my end. I just got to wait for my brother's call, and then I'm going to go ahead and purchase that alternator, and I'll give you a call back, okay? You text me already?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I got it.